Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Fiji, and today we're going to be making Mussels Motoyaki, okay? Here I got a whole bowl of mussels, about 6 packages. Today I am cooking for a party, Chinese Vietnamese New Year's party at my family's house, and they asked me to do some finger food, so this is what I'm going to make. I got some mussels here, some mini scallops that I'm going to be chopping up into smaller pieces. I got some Japanese mayo, some masago, sriracha, and some jalapenos. The tools I'm going to be using today is my mandolin, my tongs, mini spoon, spatula, and a blowtorch, okay? I got a blowtorch, and a tray to put all my mussels in. Alright guys, let's get to it. With my mussels, I've already washed them, thawed them out, cleaned them out. Usually inside, if you look inside the mussel, there will be some sort of like seaweed or something or debris stuck in there. You pull it out. I scrubbed it down, shells pretty clean, everything, all of it was pretty clean. And we're gonna pop these in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 150 degrees, okay? You don't wanna cook these for too long. You cook these for too long, they'll get rubbery, okay, and not good. Scallops, I'm gonna fine dice it. They're about this small, right? But I'm gonna chop it even smaller to make the sauce. They're gonna go into the sauce later. These jalapenos, I'm gonna slice them thinly on my mandolin. See, with my mandolin, my Japanese mandolin, you get them nice and fine slices, okay? Alright. Okay, for the jalapenos, see, thin slices like that. Use the mandolin to about this settings, about that thickness, guys. And you just run your jalapenos on the mandolin. But be careful, eh? It's really sharp, so you gotta watch your hands, eh? See? You get nice slices like that, okay? Just use your mandolin. Slices should be about this thin. Okay, that's perfect, okay? Just put it in the container and you're gonna use it for garnish at the end, okay? So this, and then you can store it for later. Okay, that's one thing done there. Let's get on to the next one. Let's start in the scallop. Okay guys, now we're gonna chop up the scallops into smaller pieces. Just gonna chop a handful here. And yeah, we'll just, you guys can see, just cut in small pieces, okay? So you want them around this, well, that big, okay? Can you guys see that? Around there, okay? Just throw it in your basket here. So you're basically just quartering it and then you're cutting it into small pieces, okay? I'm just quartering it first and then I'm going to re-dice it after. Smaller. Try to get it all lined up with that. Just cut it. Chop it. Okay, guys. Do it, guys. After you chop it, finally dice it up. It should look like this, about this big. And then I'll be ready to make the sauce now, okay? Hey guys, it's time to bake the oysters now. I'm gonna bake it at 350 for about, let's say 10 minutes, okay? So I lined up the mussels into the tray here in this, and we're just gonna bake it till it cooks partially, and then we're gonna finish it off with the torch after, okay? So just push it in. 10 to 15 minutes and we'll take it out, okay? Too long, it'll get rubbery. Okay guys, so over here I have a pan. Turn the heat up to high. scallops. So you want to cook the scallops till it shrinks a little bit. It gets a little bit firm. See, once it gets all firm, it starts firming up like this. Okay. Should be good. See all that liquid's all in it now? Okay. Now, add in your mayo. Add your mayo. Add a lot, man, because half a bottle, okay? Start off with that first. Some hot sauce. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna stir it in. Add a little bit more mayo. I mean more hot sauce. It's not ready enough. There you go. It has a little bit of orange colors right now. Okay, we're gonna cook this over the heat for a little bit. You don't want the heat too high because if you put the heat too high, the sauce is gonna split. Okay, you don't want that to happen. Check your mussels. Okay, looks like it's cooking not bad. More hot sauce. When the mussels get to about this, they look alright, good to go. Okay, guys, they're good to go. Take them off. Okay, once it starts bubbling just a little bit like that, turn off the heat. If you overcook it, it's gonna split the sauce. This is where when the sauce is all hot like that, you want to add your. This is where you add your masala, okay? Add a whole tray in there. Add a whole tray. The reason why you add it at the end is because you don't want the sauce to be so hot and it overcooks the eggs, right? You want that texture in your eggs still. Like when you eat the motoyaki, you want that little extra. You want that popping on the eggs. That's why you add it at the end, okay guys? That's a nice little tip for you guys. Okay, my sauce is done here. To get rid of the excess water that comes out when you cook them. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to dress it up, okay? I'm gonna do a sample at home first and see how it goes. So take a little bit of the sauce, just lay on top of it. Not too much, okay guys? Too much be too rich. Okay, try not to get it onto the thing. That. Okay. Jalapeno on top. Jalapeno on top. Roll to it. Boom, just like that. Just a little bit of that, okay? Boom. There you have it. My Mussels Motoyaki. You guys can see that. Okay, I'm gonna give it a test drive, and we're gonna pack everything up, bring it down to the service house, and we're gonna assemble it down there. Okay, guys? Cheers, guys. I'm gonna try this right now. Okay? Okay, guys. So I'm here at my auntie's house, and this is my station right here. This is I already set up. I already set everything up. So all I need to do is now is torch it. Stay tuned, okay? And when I torch it, I'll show you guys how it's done. Right? Bữa nay ở nhà bà mợ đãi Tết đây. Đây có trang trí đẹp không? Yeah. Wow, lẩu thấy hấp dẫn quá. Cô Phương. Cô Phương. Dạ hai bác bà. Bà gì? Dạ con gì mới bữa hổng gì. Mấy bữa rồi. Wow, đồ ăn quá trời luôn. Bò bía. Cua. Torching it. Check it out, this is the finished product. Mặt nhăn dữ gì? Béo ra mặt nhăn dữ gì? Hả? Làm gì nhăn gì? Đấy chà. Trời ơi, Quân cái nồi. Dạ. Rồi, biết cái thảo mà, món được cái thảo mà. Thử. Vậy đó, đủ vậy đó. Nha. Ăn quá trời luôn. Vô. Yo. This is my family, yo. Family gathering on New Year's. I see you already behind the flowers. Man, this house is packed. This house is packed right now, yo. Too much people here. See, man, yo, you know, New Year's is all about this game. Chỉ có này thôi, New Year thì có cái này thôi. Đặt vô.
Dạ. Cô Thơm. Hôm nay anh. Dạ cô Thơm.
Shit's juicy.